To upgrade, I'm your host Frank the Tank, and today we're gonna bring in the Ninja. It's a deep fry. It's air fryer, pretty much. That's what it is. It's a 5.5 quarts. It's 3 pounds. The maximum of wings or actual fries that you could include in here. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and see what you get. So first of all, they give you instructions in the front exactly what you're gonna get in here. And they also throw some bonuses in here, but this one's a little pricey. It's ranges from $120 to $150. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what you get. First of all, this is important. This is the manual. If you're not familiar with it, it has instructions exactly how to actually cook some of the stuff. So we're gonna take a look at that, and we're unboxing the whole thing. Of course, the top and the piece of resistance. Let me put it in the front and move the box out so you guys can see. All right, let's see the big boy, that big boy. You're gonna need a lot of space for this. If you can see, notice it's pretty high. It's, I would say, probably like almost 2 feet high. I would say 1.5 foot maybe. It's pretty big, pretty deep up there. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get. And we're not gonna test it out right now because I gotta clean it up, of course. But I'll do another review on it, how we can cook on it. So pretty much we're just gonna unbox it today and show you the ins and outs of this big bad boy. Oh, look at this. So we're gonna unbox the top, of course, and it's pretty, it looks pretty, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie to you. So basically, if you guys see the front of it right here in front, it has a handle, right? And it has the actual maximum capacity that you can put in here, the how hot you want the stuff, and by going by the directions, if you're gonna cook fries, chicken and other stuff, I would recommend you find out how much pounds you're throwing in here first prior to actually even starting the whole thing, because on the manual there's some instructions on certain size, certain weights, and make sure you have the capacity to fit the stuff. Like I said, 3 pounds, 5.5 quarts. It might be just a little for some, maybe 3 families. Maybe you want to include it just for 1 family, or you might have to do multiple inputs in here. So let's go ahead and unwrap it. So we're gonna unzip this part. We're gonna untape this part. So I have one more taped on. No, that's it. So there's something stuck on there. There it is. Woo! That was a little hard. So cardboard. We're gonna remove the cardboard. Now this is a plus. They give you the little mesh part of it, the little grill in here. So if you want to cook some stuff on the bottom, some of the stuff on the top, you don't want it to touch the ground. And in the bottom, if you guys can see, there's for the airflow and air dry kind of scenario that goes right behind it. And then it's pretty deep. It's like I say, 3.5 pounds of whatever substance you're gonna put in here, either chicken, French fries, and 5.5 space of quarts, which is not bad. Recipes are great. There's a bunch of recipes. If you don't want to fry stuff, you want to do a second option by doing your fried taquitos could go in here too. So basically the system, it just heats up in the bottom, if you guys see it, and then it starts blowing the air, circulating the air, making it look like a kind of scenario, like a fry scenario, but it's not frying it, it's air frying it. It pretty much dries it up. There's other ingredients and other recipe people have online that they can use. Pretty much it's all ready to go. It's made by Ninja, the manufacturer. There's ingredients that you could have to have certain degrees on it, but other than that, it's pretty simple, basic. They give you the little grill, nice little space that you have in here. I pretty much like it. I got it because I want to start cooking more healthier stuff like this, which nothing comes out of healthy out of these things, to be honest with you. So I like that they give you the little grill. I love that. I love that they give you the little manual, especially with ingredients and recipes in here. Really good. And it's very simple. Just basically put in here, start the process, put your degrees, start the process of what you're gonna cook in here, and let it go. And after it beeps, it sets up and it's done. You're ready to eat. If you have any questions or any comments on this particular model, I'll put out the information right in the corner and right below. If you have any questions or any comments on this particular model, place your comments and I'll hit you guys below, and I'll let you guys know on the next video. We'll try it out and set it up and see how long it takes for just regular fries. We'll do a little video on that. a little follow-up on that, how long, and then my little things that I ran into and stuff like that. So any issues or anything like that, we'll let you guys know. There we go in action. It's a little noisy, you can hear, but it's not that bad. The timer's going. We have 6 minutes. We're doing some fries right now. Some French fries through the fryer. First time using it. Other than that, I don't see. It's hot in the back. Like if it's throwing hot air in the back, of course, right here especially. Overall, I wouldn't recommend people touching this thing when it's on, but it still has the labels if you notice. But it's 6 minutes and 30 seconds to go, and then we'll take a look again, see how it goes. All right, here we go again. We're gonna check the fries. If they're not complete, you gotta open it up, and oh, they're a little crispy, too crispy. Ooh, I would taste one out. So be careful. Try one. How is it?
Crispy.
Let me see.
Too crispy. It's hot.
Ooh, look at that sucker. Let's taste it out. That's good. That's good. So we have to make sure we move them around, because you might burn them. So don't go with the timer, just keep checking them and the timer will do it on. I think they're ready. Woohoo! Good fries.
Yeah, they're ready.
Yeah, they're ready. If you put it back in there, the timer will restart again. So let me give you an example right now. You think they're not ready and you want to check on them, you could check on them and move them around, but then when you put it back in, the timer actually starts where it left off. Don't recommend you going with the right times. And if you're gonna notice this thing, the base on the top, it pops up, so it could suck in the air. That's pretty cool. And then of course we're gonna turn it off by taking them out. And they're pretty done already. I like them. They're crispy. They're very crispy. Hot. Ooh, hot. Don't recommend touching it. Recommendation is when you're heating up the fries, you can always open it up anytime you want. I put a little bit of oil, just a little tiny bit of oil, and then put them back in anytime, just to keep check the progress on how it's cooking. Very simple, very unique the way. And you put max crispy, air fry, and air roasted, air broil. Woo, I like it. Bake, reheat, or dehydrate. Dehydrate's for like pretty much for fruit, vegetables, and stuff like that. Really good. Temperature, you can mess around with it. Very simple to use. Look at the instructions. Just stick in whatever you need to cook, put it in there, and it's ready to go. I like it. Simple, and even a kid can do this, huh? Yep, she's cooking it. Other than that, I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.